Hello students, this is Vaibhavi and we are going to learn about how to calculate short-term ratio. At the end of this session, you will able to know about short-term financial position or liquidity ratio and its types. Current ratio, quick ratio and absolute liquidity ratio. Short-term financial position or liquidity ratios. This classification can be known as traditional and functional classification. However, you can understand the classification of ratio in this way also. There are three main ratios. 1. Current ratio, 2. Quick ratio and 3. Absolute liquid ratio. This ratio shows the short-term financial position or liquidity position of the organization. It discloses whether the company or businesses have any potential to pay liabilities out of current assets. This ratio helps also in determining working capital of businesses. This is not only useful to the managers but also it helps to creditors and shareholders in determining the dividend and payment of interest. The liquidity ratio discloses the company's ability to pay current dues or debtors. Effective utilization of capital and current financial position. First of all, we will take information regarding current ratio. 1. Current ratio. This ratio is based on balance sheet of a company. It is also known as working capital ratio. Current ratio indicates the relationship between current asset and current liabilities. Generally, a current ratio of 2:1 is considered an ideal ratio of short-term solvency position. Current ratio indicates liquidity position of the business, adequacy of working capital, under or overcapitalization, and margin of safety for short-term creditors. Current ratio is calculated as current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liabilities. Current assets and current liabilities as follows. A. Current asset. A. Cash in hand at bank. B. Stock or closing inventory of work in progress, raw material and finished goods. C. Bills receivable. D. Sundry debtor. E. Short-term investment. F. Prepaid expenses. G. Outstanding income. Current liabilities. A. Sundry creditors. B. Bills payable. C. Bank overdraft. D. Provision for taxation. E. Unclaimed dividends. F. Proposed dividend. G. Short-term borrowings. H. Outstanding expenses. I. Advance income. 2. Quick ratio. This ratio is also known as acid test ratio. Liquid ratio. This ratio shows the relationship between quick asset and quick liabilities. Quick assets are those assets which are immediately convertible into cash without any loss. Quick asset consist of all current assets except stock and prepaid expenses, which quick liabilities consist of all current liabilities except bank overdraft and cash credit if any. Therefore, quick asset is equal to current asset minus stock plus prepaid expenses. Quick liabilities is equal to current liabilities minus bank overdraft oblique cash credit. Quick ratio is calculated as under. Quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by quick liabilities oblique current liabilities. When bank overdraft is not available, current liabilities are taken as quick liabilities. So students, this ratio is expressed as pure ratio or percentage ratio. Having ideal ratio 1:1, it shows the company's ability to pay dues in very short period. 3. Absolute liquidity ratio. This ratio is having relationship of absolute liquid asset to liquid liabilities. Absolute liquid asset include cash in hand at bank and marketable securities only except other current asset. It is shown as absolute liquidity ratio is equal to cash plus marketable securities divided by liquid liabilities. So students, the ideal absolute liquid ratio is 1:2 if the ratio is equal or high, considered as liquid and vice versa. Left, we take a problem for more understanding and getting practical knowledge. Problem number 1. The following balance sheet of Vaibhavi Limited as on 31st March 2019. Balance sheet, liabilities and rupees. Earning per share capital 50,000. Preference share capital 50,000. General reserve 75,000. 8% debentures 1 lakh. Sundry creditors 50,000. Bills payable 25,000. Total 3 lakh 50,000. Asset and rupees. Plant and machinery 1 lakh. Furniture 50,000. Sundry debtors 50,000. Cash at bank 25,000. Closing stock 1 lakh 25,000. Total 3 lakh 50,000. Calculate current ratio. Second, quick ratio. Third, absolute liquidity ratio. Current ratio. Answer 1. Current asset is equal to sundry debtors plus cash plus closing stock. Sundry debtors 50,000 plus 25,000 plus 1 lakh 25,000. Current asset is equal to rupees 2 lakh. Current liabilities is equal to sundry creditors plus bills payable. Sundry creditors as 50,000 plus 25,000 is equal to rupees 75,000. Current ratio is equal to current asset minus divided by current liabilities is equal to 2 lakh divided by 75,000 is equal to 2.67 tends to 1. As compared to the ideal ratio 2 tends to 1, the company has satisfactory liquidity position to pay current dues. Second, quick ratio. Quick asset is equal to current asset minus in bracket stock plus prepaid expenses bracket complete is equal to 20,000 minus 1,25,000 is equal to rupees 75,000. The quick liabilities of company are equal to current liabilities because bank overdraft is not given in the problem. Therefore, quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liabilities is equal to 75,000 divided by 75,000 is equal to 1 tends to 1. The ratio indicates satisfactory ratio as per the standard norms, that is 1 tends to 1, showing liquidity and ability to pay dues. 3. Absolute liquidity ratio. Here also marketable securities is not given. Absolute liquidity ratio is equal to cash plus marketable security divided by liquidity liability is equal to 25,000 divided by 75,000 is equal to 0.33 tends to 1. This ratio is low as compared to standard, showing low liquidity and unsatisfactory result. Thus, students, today we learn to calculate short-term ratio and see you in the next session. Thank you.